Hi there! We're going to look at how to read a UML-like diagram. Here is my UML-like diagram. It's divided into three sections. Top section is the name of the class, dog. Middle section contains all the properties that a dog object would have. We have one property, age, the age of the dog. Bottom section contains all of the methods, i.e. actions, that this dog can perform. Step 1. Find the name of the class. Well, that's easy. Go to the UML-like diagram. Go to the UML-like diagram. Go to the top section, and that's the name of the class, dog. Okay? So why do I need the name of the dog? Because the constructor, which is the method that actually can create a new dog object, has the name dog. The constructor and the name of the class are the same. The name of this class is dog. The name of this constructor will be dog. So let's go down to the method section, bottom section. Find a method whose name is dog. Well, there it is right there. Copy that guy out. Okay, this doesn't make a dog object yet. We have to put the word new in front of it. That tells Java, hey, we're creating something new. What are we creating? We're creating a new dog object. We have to replace this parameter with an actual value. So it's wanting the name of our dog. So replace that entire parameter with an actual name. Let's call our dog Barky. And with a semicolon. We have now just created a new dog object and we gave it the name Barky. Okay? Let's store this new dog object into a variable. We'll declare the variable right up here. Because we are creating a new dog object, the data type of this variable is, is dog. We have to give this variable a name. We'll call it my dog. Okay, we have just declared a new variable that's capable of holding a dog object, and we named this variable my dog. This is the data type. This is saying this variable, my dog, can hold dog objects. We need to assign this new dog object that we just created here, whose name is Barky, and put that into this variable, and we do that with an assignment operator. So this is going to assign this new dog object that we just created, whose name is Barky, and we need to put to the left of this assignment operator a variable. Well, the only variable we got is my dog, so let's use that. Okay, so what did we just do? Here, we created a brand new variable that's capable of holding a dog object. We name this variable my dog. We use this variable here. We have an assignment operator. It's going to assign a value, put a value into this variable, and this value is a new dog object named Barky. Let's now give this dog an age of 2. And we do that with this template. Name of object dot name of property. Well, the name of the object is the name of this variable, my dog. So replace this whole thing with my dog. A dot is simply a dot. And we'll go to the UML-like diagram to find the property that we want. Well, we only have one property, so that was pretty easy, age. So grab age. And now we have access to a property that we can use to assign an age to this dog. So to do that, we got to set a value into this property, and we do that with the assignment operator. And let's give this dog an age of 2. So now, what did we just do? Here, we created a brand new variable that's capable of holding a dog object. Name of this variable is my dog. Inside of the my dog object, we use the assignment operator to assign a new dog object to put it inside of this variable. So here's the assignment operator. It assigns this new dog object that we created. His name is Barky, and we put that dog object into this variable. Then we came down here to use that new dog object, and we picked up the age property, which is right over here. and we set that age property to 2. So now we have a 2-year-old dog named Barky. We can print out some information about this dog. System.out, print line. Let's just print out the age. Age is, and the value that's stored in that variable. That's a variable. Boom, there it is right there. Okay? All right, so now let's call a method. Let's tell Barky to bark 3 times. How do we do that? Use this template. Name of object dot name of method, and then arguments. Okay, well, name of the object is the variable name, my dog. So replace that with my dog. A dot is simply a dot. Name of the method and its parameters is right here. So let's just do this the easy way. Copy this guy out. Replace it with this. So now we got the name of the method. We also have this parameter for number of barks. We need to replace that parameter with an actual argument. We're going to tell this dog to bark 3 times. Done. All right, let's review it. That is the name of the class. We got that from right here. This is the name of a variable. This variable is capable of holding a dog object. The name of this variable is my dog. This creates a new dog object, and we got that by calling this constructor. A constructor creates new objects. This constructor will create a new dog object, and we gave this new dog the name Barky. This is an assignment operator. It assigns this new dog object into this variable called my dog. Then we went down to properties, picked up the age property. So it's name of object, which is my dog, dot, which is the dot right here, and the name of the property, which is age. That's the assignment operator. We're assigning the age of this dog to be 2. And here we're just printing out the value that's stored in my dog.age. Then we're going to take the name of this object, which is my dog. The dot is simply a dot, and we're going to pick up this method bark. So there's the bark, and it has a parameter, number of barks. We replace the parameter with an actual value, 3. And that tells Barky to bark 3 times. And that's it. We're done. Hope this helped. Catch you later. Bye.